My name is Jomel Manigbas, and the perspective I choose is anthropology. The self is a product of the both culture and human evolution. Culture provides the framework for identity, formation, social roles, values, and communication styles, while human evolution has shaped of our cognitive abilities, social structures, and capacity for self-awareness. The interplay of these two forces has resulted in the complex and multifaceted today. Understanding this intricate relationship is essential for appreciating the diversity of human experience and the ongoing evolution of the self. Culture and human evolution work together to shape our sense of self. Culture provides the framework for how we understand ourselves, including our identity, roles, values, and communication. Human evolution has equipped us with the cognitive abilities, social instinct, and self-awareness necessary to develop a complex sense of self. These two forces constantly interact, influencing each other and shaping how we see ourselves in the world.